Let's talk about sunscreen. It's been around since the 1960s, and in the years since, we've had rigorous science-based testing and trials showing just how effective these formulations are. And when it comes to protecting us from UVA and UVB exposure, and of course, preventing skin cancer. And still, there is a growing trend on social media telling people not to use sunscreen. They're calling the authorized products dangerous and encouraging people to make their own.
You already know my thoughts on sunscreen.
The content creators sound passionate and the videos do seem convincing. But as this dermatologist tells us, they can be far from credible.
I think people should look at the credentials of people who they're listening to. I have 15 years of university training. I know the science. I've looked at the molecules. I use these sunscreens on myself and my family. And I really feel that people need to listen to the professionals and take advice from people who really know the science. The main ingredient in these TikTok sunscreens tends to be zinc oxide, that people are buying the powder and mixing it in. But there are many Health Canada approved purely mineral sunscreens containing zinc dioxide and titanium dioxide that we know are safe and effective.
Skin cancer is certainly one of the most serious risks, but there are also cosmetic considerations. The so-called anti-aging beauty industry is booming, but dermatologists say effective sun protection could do more to slow signs of aging than many products and procedures.
We see a lot of patients coming in seeking cosmetic treatments for photoaging due to sun exposure. And once they're willing to invest in lasers and other treatments to improve the appearance of their skin, then they tend to really step up their sun care regimen too. But it would be nice if people would take advantage of that earlier in life as well.
Physical barriers like sun protective clothing, hats, sunglasses, these can all go a long way. And health experts also advise avoiding being out during peak hours of the day, like between 11 and 3. But if there's one thing to keep in mind as you enjoy the sunshine this summer, it's don't forget your sunscreen. Nivrita Ganguly, Global News.